I think I messed up. Or did I? Keep listening to find out why this antique typewriter's price will blow your mind. Let me introduce you to the Malling Hansen writing ball. Designed in 1867, patented in 1870, this ain't just any old typewriter, it was a technological marvel of its time. 50 years ahead of the curve. Its wild steampunk look wasn't just for show. The writing ball was groundbreaking, offering speed and efficiency that left other typewriters in the dust. This baby's unique design makes it a golden ticket for collectors today. So, what's the damage? A cool $80,000? Yep, you heard right. $80,000 for a piece of history. But for collectors, it's worth every penny. It's not just a typewriter, it's a masterpiece. Now, ain't that something? So, would you dish out 80 grand for this beauty? Let me know in the comments. Catch you later.